Hey guys, this is YOOYIST 8-channel kitchen timer. In this video, I would like to introduce how to program this timer. You can see the bottom, time, reminder, on, off, increase and decrease buttons. And this timer is made of stainless steel. You can see it. Let's get into the important part of this video. How to use it. First of all, plug in. You have to use energy to start it. Press the on button. Then hit the button time. You can see M showing up at each window. Just press the number beside to set the times you want it at which column you want to use it. In this time, we use 6 column. It shows 15 at the window. That means 15 seconds. So we'll use increase and decrease to change the time you want it. Then press time to save it. If we want to start it, press the number to start it. When the time is up, you can hear the noise remind your full finish. You can use increase or decrease to change the value that you wanted. If we want to stop it, press the number to stop it. The next part, I would like to introduce how to switch minute to second mode to hour to minute mode. First of all, we have to hold the time until we see the column shows H to N or N to S. N to S, that means minute to second. H to N, that means hour to minute. So we pass the number beside the window to switch from minute to second to hour to minute. Of course, we have to use decrease to save it. Okay, that's all. I definitely love this design. I hope you guys enjoy this timer review. I hope you guys have a good day. Thanks.